Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I am here today to show you a sneak peek of my latest junk journal kits. There is the main kit and the add-on kit like usual. This one's a little different though, so you're going to want to see and listen to how this is designed, because it might make a difference to you when you put it together. This is on creation, so it's on from Genesis 1 to Genesis 3, and I'm making this one no sewing. So fold these in half with my scoreboard, and so the pages are going to glue to themselves. Each folded page is going to glue to itself, but I'm going to glue it in a U shape so that there's a pocket in the top of it. If you've done my Books of the Bible journal, it's very similar to that one. So I'll have an instruction video after this, but right now I'm just going to show it to you. We've got that. We have day one. God invented. Day one, God created light. And there's 2 pages pretty much for each day of creation. Day 2 was the sky and waters. He separated the waters and created sky. Here's another day 2 image. Day 3, he created land and plants. There's another one of day 3. So these are beautiful old master paintings that I've used for sources because, well, for one thing, they're beautiful. The colors are beautiful, but I think they really help your imagination. And when you can picture the days of creation in your mind, I think it's going to make it a lot more real to you. This day 4, I think I have just one on day 4. Yeah. Sun, moon, and stars. So this painting was to depict that. Day 5, he did the birds and the fish. So I have 2 images of that. And day 6 is animals and man. And there's day 6 again. And then day 7, God rested. And then I have walking with God in the garden. So there's Adam and Eve and God walking in the garden. Then we have the temptation. And we have the expulsion from the garden. And so that is kind of the end of that story, which of course is really just the beginning. But anyway, so we're going to create a little creation journal, and then we have the story on tags, and these tags will go into those pockets that we're going to create. And I also have these circles. You can do whatever you want with them. I'm going to cut them out and glue these 7 onto the 7 tabs that speak for each day. And then I have extra tags for, here's day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and then day 7 is back here on this page. And then these other tags tell the story about the temptation and just more of the story. We have a page of these kind of tags, and then some more of these, some more, and some little dog tags is what I think they look like that we're going to put in there. And then I have some tags with, I found an artist from, I don't know, 200 or 300 years ago that painted creation using these angels, and they're holding like the globe of what happened. So day 1, day 2, day 3, and you can see like first there's one angel, and then that angel shows back up, and then as we go, more and more angels come, and we go through the whole creation up to day 6. There was not a day 7. And one of them he did in black and white paint, and I'm not sure why he did that, but so that is the add-on kit. And this add-on kit also comes in, of course, New American Standard Version or King James Version, depending on which one you want. So be sure that when you buy them in my Etsy shop that you get, the main kit is the same for both. But when you go to get your add-on kits that have the Bible verses, be sure you get the one you want, either King James or New American Standard. Okay, and we'll get started on this. I'll have a video showing how to make it very soon. Okay, Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.